Beautiful people, so I'm about to get ready to go meet Shima, but I want to come and show you guys the little costume I got going on. Don't mind my hair, I'm letting it curl up right now. I don't have everything, well I have everything except for the white jacket she had up. This is what I'm trying to do. Lil Kim, okay? So I got the wig, I got my little skirt, even though it looked like she wore shorts in it. I have a white skirt, my belt, and the two top. I'm just missing the white jacket. But I want to show you guys what I have so far for the costume. So here we go. I'm just missing the white jacket as I said, but yeah. Hopefully we stop at a thrift store today and pick that up. But yeah, the wig I got from Amazon for $20, sis. Just gotta figure out how I'm gonna curl her on up to get it how she have it in the video. But yeah, this is the costume so far. Yeah, I'm excited. Hey y'all, so I'm in here and Ross getting a couple things. I'm trying to find the top for my Lil Kim costume. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what I pick up.
Ayy, I'm who every nigga wife feel, thick thigh nightmare. I'm the boogie bitch, ho, I'm every nigga type, yeah. Jury so cold, gave these broke bitches goosebumps. White ghosts rolling through the hood, look like Ku Klux. Say my name like Candy Mane and bitch, you know I'm there. These hoes wish they saw me when they looking in the mirror. Red bottoms on my feet, Bloody Mary on my toes. Every time I pop out, he get scared for you hoes. Yeah, he get scared for you hoes. Every time I pop out, he get scared for you hoes. Red bottom on my feet, Bloody Mary on my toes. Every time I pop out, it get scared for you hoes. I put niggas on their knees, I put bitches on their feet. Only time my buttons pushes when I'm pressing on my keys. 600 on my chain, yes K, yes G's. Looking for a bitch to play with, then you better ask G's. I know goons, I know goblins, shoot and then robbing. Mask all year, nigga who want a problem? I'm a dog ass bitch, ace of spade when I piss. Breeding up just to fuck, bottom line is I'm rich. In that ass like a pumpkin, welcome to the dungeon. Where the niggas at, tryna turn this into something. Know a bitch like me is a very rare sight. And throw that ass back, hit a thunder and lightning. Yeah, he get scared for you hoes. Every time I pop out, he get scared for you.
Bang this in your whips, Captain Cody Roadie with the chips in the wrist. Here's a French kiss, I dismiss all you chicks. Spit 6 from the 4th, 5th, make it dance. Ow! I stay focused in the dopest, like a penny with a hole in it. Y'all just hopeless and topless. I ain't lying. Niggas tryna knock me off, keep trying. All it takes is one phone call to my street team. Promote that ass like a soundtrack, you jack. Sit there, send it off with the 850. Y'all missing the buck with the fuck bump.
I got